this. So we should place it under this. So Ctrl V to paste. Okay, so we've done that. So let's go back to our question. So we've done this. The question number 8 says, place a cloud shape aligned to the right of the column, and the top of the paragraph starts. At the paragraph starting, there are many advantages. So we should look for the paragraph that is in the right column. This that begins with it. There are many advantages. So let's go and look for it. There are many advantages. Look at it here. There are many advantages. So they said here we should place a cloud. Where is it again? Place a cloud shape aligned to the right. So we should place a cloud shape aligned to the right. So let's go back to our work. So you come there, give a space, then go to insert, then go to shapes. Where is that? I think it is it. Let's use this cloud. Then we'll click and we drag it. Okay. Now let's check what they say we should do next. Now we should format. They says format the shape so that it is resized to a width of 5 centimeters. So let's go and resize it to a width of 5 centimeters. Now how do you do that? Click on it, right click, and go to shape format. No, not shape format, sorry. Right click again. Okay, so like I said, you click on it, you right click on the shape, then click on more layout options. Now they said the size, go to size. What they say we should do it again? Let me check. They said the size should be what? 5 centimeters. 5 centimeters. So where is it? That's the width. Is it the width? Sorry, let me be sure. Okay, width. The width. So this is the width. So let's make it 5 centimeters. Okay, so we'll click on OK. So you see it has adjusted. Then the outside edge of the cloud is black and 3 to 4 points thick. The outer part should be black and 3 to so for us to do that, click on the shape again, or you click on shape format. Now the outer is called shape outline. Click on the shape outline, come to here. What did this say? 3 to 4. So let's make it 3. Do you understand? Okay. Then it says it is filled with a light gray shading between 10 to 25%. So let's go back again. A light gray. Now the shade will be shape fill. Click on it, on the arrow. Then this is the gray shading. It says 10 to 25. So this is it, 25%. Click on it. Okay, that's done. So we've done these 2. We've done these 3. Okay, let's just finish it up. Then the text wraps around the shape. Now how do we do that? Go back to our work. For you to make your text around your shape, you can click on this position here, wrap text, look at it here, and use square. Let me check the one that's okay. Let's use square. They can carry it and take it to the, because they want it to be at the left hand side. Do you get? So this is how they want it to be. To the right hand side, sorry. So we've done this. So let me just highlight it so I know we are done with it. Okay. Okay. Now they said enter the text cloud gaming in the cloud shape created in step 8. So we should enter this text called cloud gaming. Let me just copy mine from here. So go back to our document. So we should enter the text here. For you to enter the text, we can right click on it, click on add text. You see the cursor is blinking, then you start typing. Okay. And they say format this text to display in a bold black font. And again, make sure that the text fits within the shape and does not touch the border. The completed shape should look like this. Now this is an example they're showing us. It should look exactly the way this is. So if you see, their own is not text wrap, is in one line. So let's go back to our work. So we can highlight it and reduce it so that it will be in one line. Okay, they say we should bold it and give it what? Black. So choose black here. Okay, so I think that's, we've done that. So we are done with this number 9. So let me highlight this. Okay, then the next one says spell check and proofread the document. Make sure that the list is not split over 2 columns or pages. The lists. And what is the list? The list is those items we put in bullet. Let's go back to our work. Here is a list. They said it shouldn't be in 2 columns. So in other words, we have to take this one okay, take this one to be part of there. Okay, so we've done that. Then what next? And it says there are no okay, so they said there should be no widow. They said there are no widows or orphans. So now what do they mean by widows or orphans? Now widow is like a short line of text that ends a paragraph. So they don't want any text that is on its own. John, that's the meaning. They don't want any text that is on its own. And what is orphans? And an orphan, I think an orphan is also a short line of text that begins a paragraph and is broken off to appear maybe at the bottom of the page or in a column. So what I'm trying to say there is that you don't want any word or space that is off the work. Do you understand? They don't want any word that is not aligning with all other words. No word should be on its own. It must be in group. They must be on their alignment. They must be with other words. That's what they're trying to tell us there. So they don't want it. So let's take a look at our work. Okay. So I think we should take this one down. Should take this down. Okay, so this should be part of it. I think this is okay because they say they want a 6-line space between here. Okay, so I think there is no orphan or widow in our work. Okay, there's no orphan or widow in our work. Okay, so let's proceed. Then the next one says there are no blank pages. We don't have any blank page. All our pages are filled with text. Then original styles are maintained. We should maintain the original style which we did not alter. Then all styles are applied consistently. Then spacing is consistent between all items. So we are done with this. Okay, now they say save the document using the same file name and format using step, then print your document. So we should go back and do that. Okay, this is it. So we are done with our work. We are done with this. Let's take a look at it for the last time. I think our work is perfect. So we should save it, then print. For us to print, you can come here, click on print. Let's print preview to see how the work look, if it's okay. Okay, so I think it's perfect. Our work is perfect. Nice, very clean. Okay, so you can also save this as a PDF if you don't want to print it that time. Do you understand? Maybe you want to finish your work, then later you can go. You can just come here, Microsoft prints to PDF. Yeah, you can do that. When you click on print, they will ask you to put a file name. It's coming up. So let's just put it. This is step 10. Let me just save it as step 10. So save it so that later on you can print it when you want to. So I think we are done with the document production. So the next video, please watch the next video for database and PowerPoint. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.